Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot on. And when me say it hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, boy, me telling some me have a little juice, a little one, and me I go try to pop off and Christine. You know, I am really so happy that these guys finally get engaged. Not even these guys, like my goddamn motherfucker son. You understand me? But guys, Christine, the both of them a come over here, come show me the ring. And them a come show me the ring and me decide, so you know what, this is an idea. Me I go bust a little thing from Christine. Reef, me and him discuss it and him know say it a go down. So guys, today I am going to tell my daughter-in-law that our engagement ring is ugly. If you see her reaction, okay?
Five minutes later.
Honey, I'm home. Doors open. Mommy?
Yes, dear.
Oh, you're here?
Yes, I'm here. Hello, good to see you. Good to see you. Oh my gosh. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
How you feel, sweetheart?
Well, I feel like I'm part of the family now, so you can't get rid of me.
I don't understand. You mean you feel like you're part of the family now? So you never feel like you were part of the family before?
No, I mean like now it's like I'm
It's
stuck,
official.
like I'm
it's
glued.
It's official.
Yes,
She's stuck with me, you
I'm
zim it.
stapled in.
You're staple. You're staple.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Oh, you're like a gorilla glue.
Yes.
Okay. This is good. All right. Okay.
You like it?
It's all right. It's okay. Not too bad. Although I would rather a little bit more classy, you know.
What do you mean by that?
Like a little bit more, you know, those other classy pear-shaped ones, you know. Cause
This is classy. This is
Okay.
an emerald cut. This is beautiful.
let me tell you something, girl.
Okay.
What?
To me, the ring is okay, but my son, me think you could have done a little better.
Oh my God!
Mama Joan, the ring is beautiful. Look.
The ring is beautiful.
Yeah. Here, let me take it off. I feel like you're not really seeing it.
Okay.
Do you see? Look
I
at the.
am-
First of all, look inside. Look inside the ring. I
Inside
got
the
her
ring?
birthstone on this side. My birthstone on the next side.
Okay,
Look
that's
at the,
all.
look at the, look
That's,
how
that,
the
that,
diamonds is shining.
that is all good, but I like the pear drop one.
You heard what you
Okay,
just said.
but-
I like.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
I
is.
like.
The pear
What
drop.
about what she likes?
To me, the pear, whatever you like this, girl,
Yeah.
to me, this is ugly. But if that's what you like, that's what you like. But the pear drop one is a little bit more, to me, more classy, more, what you call it, antique looking. So it just brings sparks,
I mean,
you know.
yeah, that one is
So,
nice,
so that's,
but
that's nice. But if you like this, but to me, the pear drop one is a little bit more expensive. If you could have done better, you could have spent a little bit more money.
Really? That's what you're gonna say now? I could have spent more money.
Yes, for her, you know, to me, girl, this is very ugly. I don't know if
If
it's the
somebody
ring or your
first-
finger. You understand me? But this is very ugly. But
do you
if
mean?
you like it, that's fine. If you like it,
Wait,
because
Mama
it's not my
If
finger.
somebody just gets proposed to, they're supposed to be excited. You're just dimming their shine.
Sweetie, I'm so excited for you, and I know you're excited same way. But I could have look a bit more excited when I jump through the roof if me did, the ring did look a bit more expensive. You know, to me, pear drop would have just knock it out of the park. But if you take this circle up, I not even know where the shape is this.
Mama Joan, I think that this ring is so beautiful. I think
Exactly.
he did an amazing job.
Thank you.
I would even accept a little piece of string if he just tied it around my finger. I wouldn't care.
I know, sweetheart, but if
Right.
he's
It's
gonna
not about-
if he's gonna do the thing, my youth, we
I
try
did
to
the
tell
thing.
you, if
I
you're gonna
did
do
good.
the thing, you gotta do it like a better. You gotta put more money. Reef is a cheap ass motherfucker, you know that.
Oh my God, Mama Joan, no, I don't think this ring is cheap. I swear. It's
Do you see that?
definitely
You
very
see the size of that
expensive.
diamond? You see the size of that diamond? You know how much that cost me?
Well, as me,
You're talking about peer shape. It doesn't
me see the
even matter
pear
about
shape,
the
God, they
cost.
see the pear
A
shape on them,
cost-
all the big, got the diamond, big like a glass, big diamond.
Oh no, but
She
that was
doesn't
like
like
costume jewelry.
I designed the ring to tailor it to what
So
she
what I
likes.
tell them say, them nice diamond ring that when we see in the book of costume jewelry. Is that
Yeah,
what you're
I
telling
mean,
me?
I don't think that it looks because you said it's supposed to look classy, but
At the
I
end
think
of the
that's
day,
too
a
big to
ring
look
is
classy.
a ring. Cause let's go there. Let me see your ring.
No, but I see my
No,
ring.
let me see your ring.
No, but
You're
you-
talking crazy. Let me
No,
see
you
the
don't
ring
need
that
to
you
see
got.
my ring upstairs. My love, I'm gonna wear my ring.
Right.
I
Because
can't
if it
afford
was
to wear
if it was that elegant and nice, you would have it on your finger, right?
No, me just put it away because that's the way how it elegant.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
understand
your
your-
ring, your stone is way too big for you to wear it all the time.
No, yes. Me I'm going to wear it when me going out. Yes, that's when me in a house. I understand. Christine can wear this in a house because it's so small, you know.
But you know what? I think what matters the most is what it means to us, to like our relationship.
When it's two lovebirds.
Yeah.
Love each other.
Yeah.
But my son, you could have done like a better. But it's all good. If that's what you could afford, and if you're okay with it, I guess it's all fine. But if me was like you, hearing this from me, would I expect him to do better?
So you expect her to tell me to go get her a different ring?
Well,
Switch it.
hey, suppose she look on you like she don't want to do that too. What do you think?
So now you want to do a better ring?
No. Oh my God. What? I never said. When did I see that?
You just now I feel like you're not happy
You know,
with
she,
the ring.
you know, she
Wait,
look on the
what?
ring on her finger a while
you were
ago. She
looking
should
at
just
it like
look
you're-
on it
like
like
you're
it look good.
No,
Yeah.
I never said that. I love this ring. This is the best thing that's ever happened to
think
my
she-
finger.
I think she should just pretend, you know.
What?
For me say you could have do better. You know, anytime I say you could have do better, baby girl knows you can do better. So she just pretend that she
So you think I could have did better?
Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's just rewind for a second. I don't even need a ring, to be honest with you, to prove that I love you or for you to prove that you love me. I don't even need anything. I love this ring and I think it's fabulous and I think it's 10 out of 10. If Mama Joan doesn't like it, that's okay.
Girl, it's not your
But
business.
this,
Stop stressing us out. We just got engaged. We're supposed to be happy.
I am happy for you guys.
You
Listen,
didn't even
I
say how
love
was
my
your trip.
offering.
Nothing.
Listen, I'm
You're just
just
like, oh my God, look at the cheap ring my
I'm
son
just-
bought.
I'm
You could have did
just-
better.
I'm just-
You a cheap ass broke.
Motherfucker. Like, I'm just looking at her hand and I figure you could have do better for her. She's gonna be my daughter, you know. Not no law, you know this, you know. She's gonna be my daughter for life because you can't left this.
Right.
You cannot left this, and you need to step up.
Mama Joan, I think it's the nails. I just think you don't like the nails.
Oh, because your finger look like crap around the concrete. I'm not gonna say it. It's okay.
What?
I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it.
So
She
what were you
understand?
gonna
She's
say?
literally making a joke. You're
No.
making a mockery out of the ring.
I'm not
It's
making
that funny that it made you laugh?
No, I'm not making a. I'm just. She's talking about her fingers.
Yeah, and
she
you were
said
saying
about her
and then you
fingers.
created a joke in your head that only you know the joke of. That's why you're laughing to yourself. How about you tell the
Hello.
joke to all of us?
No.
What is the joke? What's up, baby boy?
You know,
I'm engaged to your mom.
Christine, I was going to say maybe it's not the ring, it's a finger.
It's the
Oh,
nails, the fingernails.
Oh,
maybe.
them look like crap to a rundown gully. You understand? Because that's what it look like right now. You probably
It
didn't
looks
hear
like what?
crab to a running down gully. You know crab, you ever see the crab them when them a run upon them toe? Or them run in a line? That's what your finger look like. Maybe the nails make it look like that. I don't know. Maybe that's why we can't even see the beauty of the ring.
So now you're saying that her fingers.
I'm gonna grab a drink, guys.
Oh,
You can't be saying that, bro, after we just got engaged. Like, what are you talking about? You
Drift.
come here, you're making her feel like it's bad. You
Drift,
should have literally
drift,
just spit.
drift.
Now you're making jokes. She's not comfortable. That's why she has to leave.
I'm
now.
sorry. I'm sorry. No, she's Christine.
No, she's not happy. You just got engaged.
Okay,
You're talking about,
okay,
it's
okay.
Like, what? She's supposed to be, she came, literally wanted to show you. But that's the only reason why we came here.
Reef.
Her excitement levels have now dropped.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not. Our excitement level is still there. Trust me. Kristen! Kristen! Is she actually gonna cry? Is Kristen, are you crying?
No, I'm not crying. But I don't know, I just thought I would come here and you'd be a little bit
Okay,
excited.
sweetheart. I'm very excited about you and how was the trip? How was the trip? Where you go? Mali? Bali? Which one? You wanna go?
Mama Joan, you don't even know where we went?
That clearly didn't matter.
No. It's that, me always say the wrong names. I'm saying Mali, Bali, like, when or something. Maldives. How is the Maldives?
It was good.
It was good?
Look at her energy now, low.
Kristen, where's the energy? You good?
No, you made her look. Does she look good? Look at her face.
I'm asking you. Oh, okay. How was the vacation? How was it?
Mama Joan, I know how you like to tell jokes, and then you like to tell your friends these jokes, and then did you tell them that my ring was ugly and like? You didn't
No, I didn't say. I just saw. I didn't say nothing to nobody about your ring. Christine, I'm just around with you. Your ring is beautiful. I'm just pranking you, sweetheart. Talking about your ring. Your ring is gorgeous. I love it.
We were just messing
I
around.
love the fucking ring. I tell
We?
Reef I'm gonna fuck with your head.
Hold on, me? You guys!
I tell Reef I'm gonna mess with your head.
But I'm so excited!
I am excited too for you. I love it. I love it, girl. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous.
You see what I'm saying?
Listen.
You see what I'm
It
saying?
is so, girl, my son. I'm so fucking proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Holy shit. I'm so proud of the both of you now. Oh my God. And I love you guys so much. And Reef, it's about time, sweetheart. I've been waiting and waiting. I said, this motherfucker will need to just hurry the fuck up. So, girl, I am so glad that him get his ass together. And Reef, I am so that brother. This is big man thing. This is big man thing.
And I had to make sure I set it up. I wanted it to be perfect. So everything happens in the right time. It's not, I wanted to wait. I needed to do it. Nah, I wasn't financially stable.
Yeah.
One, and I wanted to make sure I was financially stable. Two, I wanted to make sure everything was just perfect. Because what other people do for themselves, that's what they do for them. But what I have and want for me, what are you holding my hand? I don't have
So we're not connected for life. We're not go. We are right now. We jump in the hand. We're not jumping the broom.
Oh.
We jump in the hand right now.
Okay.
And we're not connected for life. No matter what, through thick, thin, highs and lows, we're not have to dead for each other. Okay? Because this is a big freaking step.
It is.
This is no fool, nothing,
Step it in!
Okay, this is no like them celebrity you get engaged today and then take your ring and gone.
Okay, yeah, true.
Enjoy it. Well,
It's been a long time.
yes, yeah. Okay. I love you both.
Yeah, I know.
Both very, very much. Okay.
I'm glad you were joking.
Yes, I was just messing with you.
I showed her
Reef.
the ring when I built. When I was
making
it.
yes. Actually, he didn't show me the ring. He showed me a picture
Yeah.
Okay, and you
of
like
the ring. Yes.
So she
yes.
didn't get to see the full ring
thing
up
up
front,
front,
but
yes.
she seen like a little design.
Right. When I first put my hand out and you were looking at it, I was like, hold on. I think she hates it. What's going on? I was like,
I don't
so
think anybody
confused.
can hate
Nobody
this, bro.
can't
When you
hate
look
that.
at
That
it,
is
it's like,
so
boom.
beautiful.
And like I said,
and it's
inside
such a big freaking stone.
Yes, it
Maybe it's
is.
for the best. Inside I got her birthstone, my birthstone, our initials in there. So it's like very sentimental. You know what I'm saying? I want it to mean a lot.
And it does. And I'm so proud about you guys.
Thank
I am
you.
so glad that you said yes.
Yes.
I mean, she said no, I would have left her in the Maldives.
You kept saying that.
Yeah, but I'm so because you have girls and boys that is together, and when boy thinks, say, well then, okay, the girl I got married and him asked her. She said, I ain't ready for that yet. But you did not say that.
Yeah, it happens a lot.
Yes.
So that's why I was
So
still
this-
nervous. Like everybody's like, oh, why were you nervous? You shouldn't have been nervous.
No,
like, no, you never know what can happen. Maybe you could have been like at that point,
People
like, yo,
do
I'm
that.
not ready yet. Maybe you get cold
Yes,
feet.
yeah.
You know,
yeah,
like I know
yeah.
she loves me, and I know like that's something that we wanted to work towards. But there's always that possibility that
That she
somebody
said
can say no.
no.
And I never think about that because, like, I'm not the guy, so I don't think about those things.
Yeah.
But that's so
No,
true.
but girls do that though.
Yeah.
Girls do
I was nervous.
said no.
I wasn't nervous.
You
Like
know?
it wasn't in my mind like she's gonna say no. But it was just like I love her so much, and
If she
that,
says no,
like
I'm
if she
screwed.
says no, it's like damn, like
Fucking out with a
it's-
break.
Oh, I would have been done.
Yeah.
I would have just I don't
Your
know.
heart
Passed
would
out on
have
the
been
beach.
your heart would be
I wouldn't have made
busted,
it.
man. I'm
I
telling
probably
you.
would have just made the winds, the waves take me in the
Let
ocean.
me tell you something.
Oh my god.
No, but seriously, love is a serious thing, you know.
Yeah.
Love is not something where you play with, really and truly.
I know she got my heart.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. Like I
Yeah.
was nervous. I forgot my words that I was supposed to say. I had like, you know, I was trembling on what I was saying. Like like it's crazy. That's
and
how
I was
she made
just
me
so
feel.
shocked the whole
That's
time.
how she made me feel.
I was like speechless. I'm trying to find the words in my head, and when I just saw him get down on one knee, I was like,
yes.
"Oh my gosh!" You saw the video,
Yes,
but
yes,
obviously
yes.
you weren't knowing what was happening in my head. But I was
Yeah.
like, "I can't believe this is going down." So I was just so shocked the entire time. But it was so beautiful.
But it's so good that he could do this without you even have a wink of a notice or to
Yeah.
nothing.
That's hard
Beautiful.
work.
Hard work. But you did it, my son.
Yes,
you
he
did it.
did.
You did. You
Yes,
did
he
good.
did.
You did good. That was wonderful.
Girl hugs!